Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to CAD 102. This is introductory class. Let us know what are the objectives of today's lecture. That is self-introduction, course introduction, BLC enrollment instruction, Google Classroom enrollment instruction, Messenger group creation instruction. So first of all, self-introduction. It's me, J.M. Raisul Islam Shohak. I have completed my graduation from RUET, Russia University of Engineering and Technology. I have completed my HSC from Rajiv Uttara Model College, Dhaka, and SSC from Joshua Zilai School, Joshua. And my home district is Magura. Previously, I was employed as a lecturer in Civil Engineering Department in European University of Bangladesh for 2 years. At present, I have been working as a lecturer in Civil Engineering Department in Daffodil International University since February 21. Now, course introduction. This is our course code CAD 102, course title Computer Aided Design Lab ETAPS, credits on 5. That means one class will be conducted per week or 3-hour classes will be conducted per week. Now BLC enrollment instruction. This I will discuss elaborately these instructions in another lecture video. Now this is actually the course view in BLC for your course, that is CAD 102. Here is clearly seen that 0 enrolled student, 0 student completed, 0 in progress, 0 yet to start. When you get enrollment key from your course teacher, you will be enrolled in these courses. And when you have been enrolled in these courses, the number of students will be shown here. And this is the notice board for these courses, and this is your teacher's profile here, an appointment link, Google Classroom code here also, Meet link also is given here. This is the guideline for this course, welcome notice provided also here, course objectives, course outcome, course content, course plan. This is the grading system is also provided here, and this is the assessment strategies, that is attendance for 10 marks, lab performance 25 marks, that I will teach you in the class. For each of software you will be taught very smartly, and if you perform in the classes very smartly, very effectively, your marks will be best, that is 25 marks. And lab report, I will give you some assignment for practicing in ETAP software, that will be your lab reports, and that marks should be 25 marks. And finally lab quizzes, that is 40 marks. At the end of the semester a quiz will be held, and that will be your lab final quiz, and after all that is 100 marks. And this is for your recommended reading resources, additional resources, and lab manual is also provided here. Now Google Classroom enrollment instruction I will discuss elaborately for this type of instruction in another lecture video. This is actually when you will get the Google Classroom code from your course teacher, you will easily view this type of courses view in Google Classroom, and all types of assignment, quizzes, midterm, final exam, all the information will be provided in Google Classroom, and also recorded video is also provided here, and this is very crucial, this is very important for you. And finally Messenger group creation instruction, and for this in your Facebook, in Messenger you have to create Messenger group like this, CE413 fault 21 Rising Sir, CE105 fault 21 Rising Sir, and you have to add me in this messenger group as admin. There may be 3 or 4 admin, I have no problems. This is that's for all you. Thanks everyone for being patient. Assalamu alaikum.